Hi there, it's Saturday the 17th of December 2016. My name's Andy Rowe. This is trendfollower.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to have a look at the different asset classes and see whether I want to be in or out of them. Now, first of all, we'll do a quick disclaimer just to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. The videos I do are just about what I'm doing, so please don't take them as financial advice from me to you. It's just information or entertainment. Now, what I do is to divide my financial pot into different slices. I'm interested in investing in shares, in property, in gold, in commodities and in bonds, but it's not just as simple as that, because I use a simple timing system. So I use the average price for the year to decide whether I want to be in or out of that asset class. So when the price of the asset class at the end of a week closes above the MA52, which is the average price for the last 52 weeks a year, then I invest, and I stay invested until the price drops below the MA52, at which point I move the investment back into cash again. So it's a nice, simple asset class system, but with timing superimposed. So let's have a look at shares. Now, what I do to be exposed to shares is use a unit trust called Fundsmith, which has 20 to 30 different UK and US shares in it, and it's very popular and well-run unit trust these days. You can see its price here, so it's been rising, going from bottom left to top right, which is just the sort of graph that I like to see on an investment that I own. Now, at the end of the week, you can see here the price has closed above the MA52 still, so I'm going to remain invested in this unit trust. There's nothing that I need to do here, which is great. Okay, so the next slice of the pie is property, and I use an investment trust called TR Property Investment Trust. TRY is its ticker symbol, and let's have a look at the graph for TRY. Now you can see that this week again it's below the MA52, so a few weeks ago as it fell below the MA52, I turned the investment back into cash, and it's remaining in cash. It's been very choppy over the past 12 months. It hasn't been trending at all, so very difficult to remain invested in this confidently, very difficult to stay in cash confidently, because it's been rising a little bit this week. So will it keep rising and close above the MA52? I don't know. I'm a trend follower, and I don't try and predict the trends. Now, the next slice of the pie is gold, and I use the ETF Physical Swiss Gold SGBS to get exposure to gold, and this is the price of gold. It had fallen, and then in 2016 it rose a lot, but then recently it's fallen again, much more than I would have predicted, and it's right down here now. So I'm in cash, so my gold investment got liquidated a couple of weeks ago. It remains in cash, and we'll see what happens to the gold price. Commodities is the next slice, and I use the City Natural Resources High Yield Trust for exposure to commodities, and this is the price of CON. It's gone up a little bit this week, which is just fine. Commodities have done very well in 2016, so I'm remaining exposed to commodities, so nothing that I need to do with this slice. The last slice of the pie is bonds. Now, but the bond ETFs that I use are run by iShares, and there's one that's denominated in pounds, one that's denominated in euros, and one that's denominated in US dollars, because I just have 3 different bond funds to have exposure to. I don't trade them, so I don't come in and out of the market with these funds because they tend to chop around their moving averages too much, so I just stay exposed to bonds, so I don't come in around to the market there. So I don't do anything with those. Nice and easy. So what have I got to do this coming week with my trading? Well, nothing. I'm just keeping things as they are. There's no signals to buy, no signals to sell, so I'm not actually going to do anything. Make sure that you have a look at my website if you haven't done so. If you're just looking at this video on YouTube, this is my website. Do have a look, and you can sign up and become a member and get on my weekly mailing list. This is the YouTube channel name, Trend Follower, so if you like what you see and want to see more, then just become a follower of my YouTube channel, and there we go. That's it. So that's all I need to do. Nothing. I'll catch up with you in a week or so. Of course, it's going to be Christmas next weekend, but I might get something done next weekend. We'll see. So have a great Christmas if I don't chat to you before then, and have a great week. Bye for now.